So hey guys, if you also face this kind of issue where it is written verifying your mobile number. So guys, when you're trying to add a new bank account or you want to make a UPI payment, so if you find this issue, that means that particular SIM card or number which is linked with your Paytm account is not available in your that particular device, because when Paytm not detects that particular SIM card, then you will see this kind of issue. So if you want to fix this issue, then make sure Paytm application in that device in which your linked number is also available, or make sure that your SIM card is unable in your device, and whenever your number is available in your phone, then you will not face this kind of issue. So guys, if you have any questions, please comment on this video, must like it, subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and informative videos like